Many students and educators utilize buttons in order to create quick links to different pages in the site or even external sources. In the built-in personalization video, we covered how to use the button option that is embedded in Google Sites. In this video, however, we're going to look at using different sites in order to create personalized buttons. Some of the three most commonly used sites are Adobe Spark, Canva, and Google Draw. All three of these tools are listed under the Resources tab of the ePortfolio website. For today, we're going to go ahead and use Adobe Spark to create a button. There are a lot of templates in Adobe Spark, same with Canva, but I'm going to go ahead and start from scratch for right now. It's important to note that the shape of the button is going to be more important than the size. So don't get hung up too much on the dimensions, but more so the shape. So if I wanted a square button, I'm going to choose this option right here. This is for a background image, but I'm going to keep mine very simple. Going back to that web design, you just want your buttons to be very clear and easy to read. So just make sure if you use pictures or different fonts that they all kind of go together for the design that you're looking to create. So in Spark, maybe I am creating a button to my community service page. One thing that I really enjoy about Adobe Spark is just all the different options and even the inspiration that they give you. So if I went to Style over here, I could move this around until I found the button that I really enjoyed. Note that you can also change colors, and then I can change my fonts as well. By clicking on the image as a whole, I can see the color palettes for my entire button. So I went ahead and went with some colors that would align well with the website that I was creating. And then in all three of these programs, Adobe Spark, Canva, and Google Draw, you're going to then download the image as a JPEG or a PNG that you can upload to your website. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. And I can upload by clicking image, or I could even use one of my layouts. Notice that I could go back to Adobe Spark and I could create similar buttons with different names so that they'd all be uniform on my site. Canva, Adobe Spark, and Google Drawings are all going to be a little bit different in their functionality, but the process of then downloading as an image and inserting it is going to be the same regardless. Check out the Linkings Buttons video in order to see all of your options for linking your buttons on your site.